Right in front of me is the world famous Notre Dame of Paris. Such a lovely place, such a lovely church. Here, Pigeon. And, oops, I'll go and see near and see what I can do. But the church is just so magnificent. No wonder it is known. There are a lot of visitors coming in all over the world. Yes. And yes, here I am.